Welcome to day 2 of the Battle of the Bears Portfolio Master Challenge brought to you by Centerpoint. We are trading and doing this contest in a simulated account, but when it comes time to take what you're learning from this and to trade live, you need a broker with great locates to find those stocks to short, especially if you're trading some of these lesser known or higher fly names. Again, you need a broker that can get you those shorts. It really sucks being right on picking a direction of a stock and not able to find the shares to trade. So check out Centerpoint, best in the biz for that. Without further ado, we're seeing a lot of movement in this leaderboard right now. When I started the recording on one of my failed attempts here, we had Paul taking the lead, now down 5 grand on some open trade that he had. If you want to dive deeper into what these people are trading, what they look like, join me Friday at 3 Eastern up until the close. That last hour, we're going to go and we're going to do a play-by-play with my buddy Chris to show what's going on here. Now, we have a couple winners here. We have Van Mark, we have Spanky, we have Paul. If you don't see yourself on the board, don't stress, don't worry about it, because again, anyone who has broken the rules, 20 share maximum, can only trade a symbol 5 times a day. All of that I'll be going through over the weekend and checking. So even if you don't see yourself on the board, you still have a chance if people are breaking rules above you, which I know for sure some of them are. Now, what was everyone trading today? We have one thing that was a bit of a widowmaker, this FFIE. Massive run. You can see up 125% today. Was all over the trade ideas scanners all day long. A lot of people trying to short this. I think that was actually what took the leader yesterday and pulled them down, is this battle back and forth of trying to figure out, hey, what's going on here? Is this up too much? Not yet. Maybe tomorrow, maybe this is one to take a look at. You can always go to these scanners right here and you can figure out what are people trading. The tournament contestants do a very good job of sticking with what's in play. This GovX was another one. I think this is one of those monkeypox plays starting to fall off here. So a lot of people were all over that. Now, I'll be very interested to see what happens day 3. So make sure you come by, you hang out with me, or you check out this video after. Good luck to everyone who's trading, and I will see you guys tomorrow.